Right. Then 2005, second question. In the equation C, K over rho root. C is speed and rho is density. So what they ask is the units of K are. So if you are a student who remember the equations well, obviously this K should be a pressure. The dimensions of K should be the dimensions of pressure. So it's you're supposed to remember this equation, gamma P over rho. This is the speed of sound, gamma P. This is a dimensionless constant. Pressure divided by the density of air, right? So you should know that dimensions of K should be dimensions of pressure. But if you will learn this in like thermal physics. If you haven't learned this, you have to go for a lengthy method. So I'll just explain the lengthy method. Just square both sides. So K is equal to rho C squared. So dimensions of K should be rho C squared. Rho is, dimensions of rho is, what they ask is units. So I'll just go with units. So units, right? K units. Units of rho. Rho means density. Units of density is kilograms per cubic meter. Units, this is speed or velocity. Meters per second squared. So this is kilograms per cubic meter squared per squared. So if you simplify this, kilograms per meter, simplify this, per meter per square second. So this the units of K, units of K. So the matching answer for that should be fourth one. Yeah. Without doing this calculation, if you could have, if you are familiar with these equations, you can know that this is pressure. So pressure means force divided by area. So this is force divided by area. So if you simplify this, this becomes -2 + 1 -1 is -2. So this is the approach a clever student takes. If you are familiar, to get this one, to save time without doing all these calculations, you have to know these equations, right?